So today I am in Tiverton, Rhode Island. I am fishing Stafford's Pond. I just caught my first bass of the day, very small, and it wasn't on a pit boss. Whatever this is. It's a little baby bass. It's a little baby bass. You know what? This is the first fish of the day. It is slow right now. So today I'm throwing these Googan baits today. And I actually got a couple of these the wrong size. These are actually smaller than I like to use. But maybe today it saves me, I don't know. I just caught a decent bass with it, so. Oh, look at that. Let's go check him out. It's a snapper turtle. Let's go play games with him. Yeah, let's go play. They do a good job of blending into their backgrounds too. He's going in deeper water. Let's see if I can get a good picture of him. It's already a bite. About time I get one that's a little bit decent. Yay! least I have 2 fish today so far. And you know what? I'm in the shade now. So let me try some more. Maybe some more fish sitting here. Adios. So it's been a long day. And I only caught 2 fish today. Not a very productive day at all. I think I caught 2 fish and lost a fish. Sounds about right. But that's why it's called fishing, and it's not called catching. So, thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Bye.